In this problem, we'll find the slope and the y-intercept of a line from its equation. We're asked to find the slope and the y-intercept of the line given by negative 4x plus 3y equals negative 6. We can read the slope and the y-intercept from a line that's in the form y equals mx plus b. Notice that we have to solve for y in order to get it in this form. So the first thing we'll do here is solve for y. We begin by isolating the 3y term. So we will add 4x to both sides of the equation. And that will give us 3y, because 4x minus 4x is 0, equals, adding 4x on the right side of the equation, we have 4x minus 6. Now we need to solve for y, and we can solve for y by multiplying by 1/3 on both sides of the equation. 1/3 times 3 is 1, so we just have y equals 1/3 times 4x minus 6. Now I want to multiply the 1/3 through here, so that'll give me 1/3 times 4, or 4/3 x, minus 1/3 times 6, which is 2. Now this is in the form y equals mx plus b, and we can see that by writing directly under here y equals 4/3 x. Instead of writing minus 2, I'm going to write plus a negative 2. So we can see that m is 4/3 and b is negative 2. The slope is read directly from the m. The slope of the line is 4/3. The y-intercept we get from the b. The y-intercept is a point. The x-coordinate of the point is 0, and the y-coordinate of the point will be b, which in this case is negative 2. So we have the slope and the y-intercept of the line.